American robin. The American robin is a common and widely recognized bird found throughout North America. Despite its name, it is a thrush, not a true robin. American robins have a distinctive, bright red-orange breast, making them easily identifiable. They are migratory birds, often seen in large flocks during the winter. American robins are primarily insectivorous but also feed on berries and fruits. They have a melodious and cheerful song, which is often associated with the arrival of spring. Robins are known for their hopping gait when foraging on the ground. They are monogamous and build cup-shaped nests in trees or shrubs. Robins are adept at finding earthworms, which make up a significant part of their diet. They are highly adaptable and can live in various habitats, from urban areas to forests. The American robin is the state bird of Connecticut, Michigan, and Wisconsin. Robins have been featured in various cultural and literary works. They are known for their sharp eyesight and keen awareness of predators. Robins often use open fields and lawns as foraging grounds. Conservation efforts are generally not required for American robins, as they are abundant and widespread.